Maneva Sema PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV dear osia dem yopo.
Specialized Court 1 of the Accra High Court has stayed proceedings in the trial involving former Chief Executive Officer of the National Signals Bureau, Kwabena Eduboahene, and his wife, pending the determination of the injunction application filed at the Supreme Court. The application filed on August 14 by Member of Parliament for Ofuase Ayerebi Kojo Oppong Nkrumah is challenging warrants issued by the Chief Justice for the continuation of selected criminal trials during the legal vacation. And legal affairs correspondent Fatal Bayaga is currently at the Accra High Court and joins me live with more on this development. Fatal, so before we talk about the adjournment, the court first dismissed a letter from the lawyers of Eduboahene. What was contained in that letter and why was it dismissed?
MFSO and Criminal Court 1, also known as the Specialized Court 1, holding the brief of the lead counsel for Eduboahene, Peter Osei Asamoah, said that his lead counsel, Samuel Atta, had sent a letter to the Accra High Court that the proceedings in this particular case should be adjourned to sometime in October because he had his own arrangements ahead of the legal vacation, and for that reason he wouldn't be available during this particular period for the case to continue, and for that reason they were praying for that adjournment. But the trial judge in his response to that said that if he goes ahead to grant this particular adjournment, it means that he is going against the orders of the Chief Justice, who clearly issued a warrant that some selected courts should sit on cases within this legal vacation period. And based on that, the trial judge Francis Apanga Chibonga dismissed this particular letter.
So after the letter was dismissed and the lawyers made another plea which succeeded, correct?
Absolutely. So Peter Osei Asamoah then went ahead to say that the Member of Parliament for Ofuase Ayerebi Kojo Oppong Nkrumah has filed an injunction application at the Supreme Court, which is scheduled to be moved on the 20th of this month. That's just Thursday, and for that reason he wanted the court to stay its hands on this particular proceedings until the determination of this particular matter. So when he stated that the prosecution led by Deputy Attorney General Justice Remsai opposed to it and said that the mere pendency of an injunction application at the Supreme Court should not, stop the court from conducting its business as far as this particular case is concerned.
And the court then upheld the plea, right, and adjourned the case. What reason did the judge give for this decision?
So MFA Francis Apanga Chibonga then said that there are two schools of thought when it comes to deciding this particular situation. So he said that with the first one saying once an injunction application is pending before a higher court, parties or entities should stay off their hands until the case is determined. And then the second school of thought, he said, is also talking about saying that the mere pendency of an injunction application should not stop a court from determining a matter. And based on that, he said he doesn't go with the second one that says that continue until the higher court makes its decision on this. He stays with the first one that says that stop the work, wait for the higher court to determine the matter before proceedings will continue. And based on that, he adjourned the case to the 25th of August, where the parties are expected back in court, depending on what the Supreme Court would say on Thursday.
Thank you so much, Fatal Baiga, for that update from the Accra High Court.
Oh, so Medicare say MPP lawyer be any law. And now Ghana Bar Association, a MPP for cool. Oh, David, please. Me patcho me so jamina men kasa. Yes, sir. MPP and a Ghana Bar Association. Opa ko share the presidents of the Bar Association, MPP for fan. If we bra te Ghana Bar Association be pemne. MPP for nkwa. NDC for back no be no kromo sheda omu se criticize omo a no ma sheda. You see, when you find your essence in the space, only when NDC is in power, it makes you more useless. MPP wa be mu no proye ni nyoma na akoso e wo judicial sector hono. Did you hear the Bar Association critique it ever once? Asema no muka say Chief Justice na owo na onu nim di na onim law no na mo ma bom na mo nim law no, because we MPP for ntino mo ko law school a esa say we MPP ntia no na ye mo trump card amode ko o me MPP ni apass wa bon kra ni apass law school no sada no mo ye no We have people in Nkwa, and you say these lawyers, no. You have to go an extra mile. Read, understand, and make sure say you write. Even and if you don't cross your T, they'll mark you down. And to the shame PP lawyer ni, not just a post. She will be our MPP for lawyer. The audio man guy in Marco. Common sentence he cannot put together. But he's a lawyer. Now they are the only pious and could do. What is our legal arguments be that? What we consenting so okay emotions. Yeah, can law was emotions. Ratachia. He may be our goof. Also on one assembly and say Okaka in 2008. Ababe Buedino. Maka, and I will repeat, time is the mightiest judge of all events in the world. Ebre, when they do a time, engineer and an way I will say, a man nebetche. When we now say, I man a bedding, a betche. What was saying, Kajoma, ma bemu, and then Kyea Tokunu and Fiwa. The reason why they are always arguing about Tokunu in a dear is because no moon law, like a judge. To my dream, you say, Kajaj, know what they are. Money for them, right? No, but not to me. Say, I would your mumra, sir, nobody here. See, when you when you net ethics, would you a man for Sika? Now, would you a man for Sika air was a Muslim? Yeah, you were dear. What call you ECOWAS court? So, second of 4 court no your mamma in control. ECOWAS in your mamma in control. Also, in the metro or a Katina Areno. On the Namia, your mamma. One man and him, I law and I law. They say the law is the law. And that overseas MPP lawyer, only the bar association, who says it's a very useless and bogus institution.
Electoral commission, hey, a boss man, Obi a fan for 2016, could be a NDC regime. Boss man, transfer only in yes, boss man, Obeko, you obey we, or Mobi who can. Because of your charge in who say, oh, you do by 2016, a NDC regime, and you wait till you push you a kotua, you push you a kotua, and then one of the other final 2020 munu, one a cow send a bayer home back to me and defend the MPP party. What type of these people? I rule this country. Electoral commission. But the messages I'm receiving, I'm shocked. Maybe no. There are very competent hands. Listen, very competent and capable hands. People are making sure that don't have a policy be our year and education. Go to look. I'm talking about just one institution. Opa, if you are Ghana Education Service. No, but no. I can discuss Ghana Education Service even offhand. There's a message here. Go around and listen. Mugabe, the woman at the free SSS Secretariat is going through a lot. Do your investigation there. Charlie, there are things I can't say. Not just a one so placement on my man Kodano, boys be a Ministry of Education. Placement, school placement, I ever buy Sababa. In a month's time, we will be doing Haruna and Palane. Me and Kachao. But don't let us take Haruna there. Because it will be more than a cleaner. I'm telling you. Are we serious? I'm serious. Me, I don't joke with lives of the people. I don't sit here and talk. Do you know what the gut fund man is going through, Mr. Paul? Go and do your investigation there. So on only procurement, our board, no. Yeah, procurement, how do you mean? Like a board, appointed board is someone. Let's leave it there. Every institution make my career. I listen. No. Sometimes I also need to listen to the side of Haruna, please. No. Enquire education. We'll invite him. Anytime. Am I a woman and say? Yes, and Biara, you can't throw a manifesto. You can implement it. And I implement it. Yes, it must be done. You said if it must be done, well, it must be done. Well. 3 minutes, mommy. Now, Yamfa, a court issues. Godfred, mommy, 3 minutes on that. And before they came, almost said, Moko vacation na e pese jelly womo any ade o must take vacation schedule enya chief justice say my reference no enya chief justice in implementing vacation schedule I'm not that if it in time when say the lawyers in Nimadi say on Ghana Bar Association it be be kire mu say and vacation judges in ho me no ka say okọ High Court 4 judge and a vacation judge. because you to make can just say a legal year one in the contract I only ask them. And the attach anyway. Ghana Basu switching him. Lawyers. Godfred, I mean, what in the
you know about yours, but I saw a lawyer.
Yeah, a lawyer.
Was it Ghana Bar Association for no more Caimran? Why are you
law? I've always told you.
Yeah. What I say? Now I am poor boy, I see a Nemumano. Yen vacational judge. Vacational judge, you know, I bet to me a sentence, because it's a part of law.
Simple.
Law is a law.
You don't need to go to read.
And the law is the law.
It's a law, is a law.
The law is the law.
Law. Yes.
So nothing has changed.
No, and you took on the best side. And I just baffle the best side. What I say? And will be also name say. Vacational judge there. Or how come say? Yeah. By October. Now judges, I resume. Lawyer, and co break. Oh, lawyer, I say, and the lawyer, Neduma.
Man, Godfred, I may not issue, no, it's a Godfred, I may or no Benjamin, and I send the lawyer Godfred, I may yari.
I feel lawyer
is sick.
But Godfred, I may yarita. I'm not no prosecute. Sister to force no more. At to force no more. 3940. I feel you are
3940.
Huh? 3940. I feel you are. Want to mean yes, because a brand telling no be associated to Trajano. Okay? MPP time. Buffer stock. One MPP time. Number one in my bar walk go and shoot and damn and the one at you. One sick yentia. No guy will pray so in the birthday. 78 million Ghana cedis, which is 780 billion. Now from Blessed Bridge in a course. It's the air can say. Many. Yeah, Oman Penny. You won't do but a miracle. Young proof Ghana for you now, including a big crowd and Penny refer our platform so say Nana B. And you understand them off as in a wedding. Early demonstration upon demonstration.
So are you Bruni?
What I say? Because of our first vice chairman, didn't you know? As I saw you, be able to a mere who say, and the MPP party. The MPP, the very associate the more. Her scholarship, secretariat, her buffer, her National Service Authority, her
secretariat,
regional interministerial. What in here might be a FB, I didn't be a rano. A chrono.
Listen, I got 2 minutes for you.
Maka na message su
I say what I say. O ka hu bi na BP ba.
Why am I na? Ananya media da hoda make. There's that case is in the public domain.
Mugabi.
And the topic is one that is scholarship. Yes, as a taxpayer, class as a who ya juma as a utia. Electricity issue ba. Now electricity towers are yes I to. Jama me for electricity bra. That kind of who proyene katase and have a normal duma what you need trim.
Me da say.
Dedi kama amena PENDREAM TV ase. Na so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, PENDREAM TV.